Alright, this is the house on Main Street. It's a two-family house, a duplex. It starts on the second floor. Hallway right here. From here we enter the living room. This living room's got large bay windows, radiator heating, and from the left side you have a small porch available as well. If you go through the hallway, to the right we have a full bathroom here with a bathtub, sink is coming in, and then to the left we have the dining room. The dining room connects to this living room that we saw earlier. Through here we have the kitchen, very spacious easy kitchen with gas stove, cabinets, fridge, large pantry space, radiator heating, comes with a dishwasher, brand new cabinets, fridge, and a gas stove. Over here we have a first bedroom over here. This bedroom comes with radiator heating, small closet, one window, big enough for a king size, queen size, or full size bed. And through here we have bedroom number 2, radiator heating, 2 windows, smaller closet, bedroom number 2 right here. Then as we go upstairs, we see 2 more bedrooms here. One bedroom right over here with 2 windows. Space is big enough for a queen size bed, twin size, or full size. A little too small for a king size. Good size closet, thermostat, very large space. And through here we have a little bit of storage area. And this right here opens up into a massive master bedroom. This massive master bedroom has 2 different sets of closets, one here and one here. So you have all of this space for the master bedroom and this space right here with its own private bathroom, stand-up shower, sink, plenty of space through here. You have free laundry downstairs in the basement and plenty of space for 4 people.